Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to our class. This is our Wednesday class, and we are on day 12. And I have my hen book ready, my big group. We're starting a new story, and we're on page 32, and we'll also read page 33. Our story is called The Hot Sun. Read together. It's fun to dig in the sun, Dot said. This is Dot. I can dig a pit. Dot sat and began to dig. The sun is hot, Dot said, but it is fun to dig. Dot dug a big pit, but the hot sun hit Dot. Page 33. I am hot, said Dot. Dot sat on a log and said, the sun is hot and I cannot dig. Dot began to nap on the log. The sun hit Dot, and Dot got a bad suntan. She's in the direct sun. She probably does not have on protector, like suntan lotion protector. And you can see her face is getting red. So that's the beginning of our story. I'll let you read this sometime today or this evening. Now my second group, we are turning to the back of the book, page 86. We finished our stories for tonight. Today, you're going to read just this page going across the rows. And I'm going to do the first row. Bat, well, you can do it with me. Bat, bit, bet, cot, butt. Okay, let's do two. Cat, hit, get, dot, cut. Good. I want to look at the word dot. What's special about that word and how they spelt it? Good. Capital D. It's a name, so the first letter of every name is a capital letter. Good. Okay, so you're going to go down the row. Read all the rows. These are the words you know. You learned them while you read In the Hen and the Fox's Den. Okay, so just read this page across. Okay, now let us look at our C word. We are on the page with the big star. It's kind of like a rainbow and stars. So this is our papers for today. You have equations, addition equations. Your answers go in the boxes. And the color code's at the top. If your sum or your answer's 4, color red. If it's 5, color blue. If it's 6, color yellow. So this is going to be a colorful page. It's going to be pretty. Then turn to this page. Make me partner H's at the top. It's a review of the letter H, which says, color each square green if its picture begins with the sound of H. You are helping this little boy and his puppy find the road, which is the words that begin with H, to get to his home or his house, which also begins with the letter H. So color the pictures that begin with H. Then turn to this side. This is a special page. It talks about our 5 senses. Our 5 senses, which are our sight, that we can see with our eyes, we can hear with our ears, we can smell with our nose, taste with our lips and mouth, and we can touch. That's the 5 gifts that God gave us. And they showed you the picture of each by the words, and They say draw pictures that show you using your five senses. Okay? With your eyes, draw something that you can see with your eyes, something that you can hear with your ears, something that you can smell. It could be foods, it could be a perfume, flowers. These can be anything you want them to be. Things you can taste, maybe your favorite food or drink. Things you can touch, like if you hug your puppy or pat your little baby sister on her head or her back. So things you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. Let's turn to our next page. We're reviewing the letter M. Make me partner M's at the top. You have a big mushroom, and they want you to color all the pictures that begin with the sound of M. Now let's look at this side. It's patterns. It's patterns of shapes and colors. So the first one, the balls are going to be blue, or the circles will be blue, the squares will be green. And here's the pattern too. Blue, blue, green, green, blue. Good, blue. So you would draw another circle and make it blue. Here's the next pattern. Red, 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 blue, red. Good, another red triangle. Yellow, yellow, orange, orange, yellow, yellow. Good, orange, orange. So draw the shapes and then color. Color code your picture too. Your patterns. Next page. Yesterday we did the largest, biggest number. Today we're doing the smallest number. Look at each row. 20, 25, 30. What's the smallest number? Good. 20. Circle 20. Okay. Circle the smallest number in each row. Now turn to this page. Which vowel sound do you hear? We've done this page quite a few times. You know all the pictures. You're picking from the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, A, and A. So that's our vowels. Then let's turn to this last page. You have numbers in the rows with missing numbers. So fill in. All the last numbers are missing. So fill in the missing numbers. After your seat work is finished, now you have your cut and glue. Cut and glue's 2 pages today. You have a bunch of pictures, and all of these pictures begin with the sounds W, Y, H, Q, and Z. So if you want to color them first, you can. Then cut them out on the dotted lines and find where they go and glue them on the right line. Like the first one, yo-yo. What does yo-yo begin with? Good, Y. So it's going to go on this aisle, this line. Quilt, zigzag. I think I'm just going to say these so you'll know. Zoo, wave, quarter. That's money, worth 25 cents. Quarter, yell, zebra, heart, hanger, watch, the number 0, zipper, yawn when you're tired, and queen. So each of these goes on one of the rows. Okay. Next, our blend book. We are going to our PR page. PR. Oh, Miss Torch didn't put any examples on here. But I want you to be thinking, think of some words that begin with PR. And I can think of a couple right now. I'm going to give you a little clue about this. What is a food or snack that begins with PR. It's very crunchy and salty and brown. And they come in different shapes. Did you say pretzel? Yes, good. Pretzels. They can be pretzel sticks, or they can be shaped like the pretzels. Sometimes they have salt on them. Here's another one. Let me underline it. Prize. Prize. Could be a ribbon, could be a prize. Let's see. Here's another one. He's not a king. He's a prince. A prince. It means he is important. He probably lives in a castle. I'm sure you know some princes from the Disney movies. So it could be a prince, or it could even be a princess, which is the girl. Prince or princess. Let me see. Here's another one. When you buy something, you have to pay for it, don't you? And you go to the register and they tell you how much something is, and then you give them the money. How much it costs is called the price. The price, it tells you what you have to pay. So pretzel, prize, prince, princess, price. So draw, color, write your words. Color, make it nice. This is in your blend book. And our last page is from our Explode the Code book, page 71 and 72. You are sounding out the words, and someone can help you. Lift, lift. Well, there's somebody lifting. Circle the picture of someone lifting. And I'll let it up to you. If you want to write the word, you can. Sometimes in class we don't always write it. What about M-E-L-T? Melt. Melt. The ice is starting to melt. H-U-N-T. Hunt. Hunt. And sent, like I sent the letter to my friend. Gift, gift. Ant. We talked about ants a lot for the letter A. And raft, raft. So sound your words and then color or circle the right picture. Then turn to the side. We have a picture. We have two words. Circle the right word. Is this a belt or a bell? Good, bell. Bell ends with the sound of L. Belt ends with T. So we know that can't be the right word. Let's do one more. Lift or lit. Lift. The person is lifting the heavy weights. So lift with a T at the end. Take your time. You can work with somebody. Okay. All right, guys. That is all for today. I hope you're having a good day. And remember that I love you. I miss y'all. I hope I see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.